Alright guys, so today we're doing a Minnesota bait, and I'm already messing up. Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another week of these NFL teams. Can you guess who it is? It's not the Lakers, I promise. Even though they are the same colors. It is the Minnesota Vikings today. If you're a Minnesota fan, this is for you. If you guys do like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe, which is somewhere there, and then hit that notification bell. Go ahead and do that right now. I drop 2 videos a week. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. Alright guys, so to get started with this Minnesota Vikings team today, I'm gonna make it more simple, I guess you could say. I'm not gonna go too crazy like I did with the Dolphins and the previous videos that I did for the NFL teams. I am gonna be playing with the team colors, obviously, which is gold and purple. I love those 2 colors combined, so let's see what we could create today. I think I am gonna go for like a wing liner, but I might be using some purple shadows to create that, then kind of intensify it with putting on some setting spray and making it more, I think I'm gonna go more intense with like this little loose pigment right here. So it has like a nice shimmer to it, so I'm gonna make it more intense with this, and then put some, I think I'm gonna add some gold on the lower lash line. But let's just get started and then we'll see what we could create. As you guys could see, I already have my face and everything done because most of the focus is gonna go on to the eyes today. First things first, I'm gonna set my eyes, and then we're gonna go with the transition color, and then we'll go from there. To set my eyes, I'm gonna use a Tarteist Pro palette. I'm gonna combine these 2 colors right here just to set my eyes in place, so the shadows like don't move around. Okay, now that my eyes are set, let's start with the transition color. Alright, so I'm gonna go with this color right here. It's called Applejack. This one, this nude color. I'm gonna use that as a transition. Okay, doesn't have much of a color, which is okay because that's what I'm kind of looking for. Any Vikings fans out there? This one's for you. No? Crickets? No? Okay. Let me know in the comments. Okay, so I created a little bit of depth, as you could see, which is something that I wanted anyways. I don't want something too intense. So now that I've created kind of a transition color, let's move on to the lid. I am gonna make the lid as yellow and gold as much as possible. So I might be adding different layers of gold on top of each other just to intensify as much as I can. Then I have the lemon soda right here, Dominique's Cosmetics palette. So I think I'm gonna intensify mostly with this, but I'm gonna leave it till the end. So let's just start layering it and we'll go from there. Let's add mango, and from the Dominique Cosmetics palette, and then we'll add some shimmers on top of that. Because I think when you add a matte and then you just kind of intensify the shimmers, it would make it more pop in your face. Okay, so to do that, I'm gonna grab a tapered brush. As you can see here, if I mentioned before, I love this palette. It is freaking awesome. I love the colors, I love the formula, I love how everything works perfectly together. So now that I added that, I'm gonna get a clean blending brush. Let me clean her off, and then I'm gonna blend those 2 colors together. Windshield wiper motions, just back and forth. As you can see, I'm just kind of taking that first transition color and then the mango. I have hooded eyes, so sometimes I have to lift it up. And now let's add some intensity. Okay, so my first intense color, I'm gonna go with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm gonna pick that color up right here. Okay, let's intensify that gold. I'm gonna bring it up all the way to the crease. Okay, that's gold color shimmer step 1. As I said, I do want to make it more intense. Next, I'm gonna add this color, Glam. This is from the Tarteist Pro palette. It's like a cross between like a champagne and gold, which is what I want because I want to add it a little bit more in the middle. So I'm gonna pick up that color right here. I'm gonna add it in the middle. Okay, so that intensifies the middle of the lid. I'm gonna intensify some more the outside. So I think I kind of created a halo eye with some shimmers, but I'm gonna add some lemon soda from the Lemonade palette. But I am gonna add some setting spray to the brush, so just make it pop. Pop? Yeah, I'm gonna make it pop. Because lemon soda, it pops, you know? Cheesy? Okay, sorry. Don't like my cheesy jokes? then don't watch my videos, okay? I'm just kidding. Please watch my videos. Don't stop watching. We love you, don't they? Let's pop into that lemon soda right here. I'm gonna connect it by the crease right here so I don't mess up the color that I put in the middle. Next eye. Okay, I'm gonna grab a clean blending brush so I can just blend all these colors together. Okay, so now it's all blended. I am actually gonna pop back into the middle. Okay, we're at the home stretch, guys. Before my camera cut off, I actually just did one thing. I didn't really add too much. I just added some more of this middle color right here to my middle lid. And then I added the mango and then the lemon soda under the lower lash line. But now we're gonna go into the fun stuff. So as I said earlier, I am gonna add a purple liner, or a cat eye, I guess you could say. So now I'm just gonna add the purple liner right here. I am gonna work with some powders. I'm gonna intensify a little bit more with some loose pigments. I have this one and then I have this one from MAC. So I'm gonna grab my brush. So I have this angled brush right here. And I'm gonna get a thinner one too. So I need the thinner one for the inner, and then the outer corner I'll probably add this one. Actually, I might use this for the outer to get like a nice angle on it. So let's see what we could create today. So there are some purples in the Tarteist Pro palette, and then there's a really intense purple in the Jaclyn Morphe palette, this one right here. I think I'm gonna start with the matte color and then do the same thing and then add a shimmer on top of that. I'm gonna mix Mode and Drama right here from the Tarteist Pro. So let's mix those two together and see what we could come up with. Take my thicker angled brush. I'm very different when it comes to the eyeliner. I know people usually start from the outside and then work their way in. I actually start from the middle and then I work my way out. Okay, so it has the color that I want. Creating a liner with shadows is not as easy as a liquid liner, because depending on the liquid liner that you use, obviously, it just kind of glides onto your eye and you don't have to keep on going over it unless it kind of removes the shadows. Okay, so now that I kind of lined it up to show how thick I want it, I'm gonna go with the thinner angled brush and then kind of make that straight line. Dipping into the same colors. As I said, this is just the base of the colors, and I'm gonna add some more pigments and shimmers on it. It's Sunday, I can do what I want. Don't judge me. All right, thick enough? Okay, next eye. Okay, so now we have those lined up. Let's go ahead and intensify it with some colors, some more purple colors. Pigments. I haven't used pigments on this channel yet, or this purple. So I think I'm gonna combine these two together and just add it on top of that. So most of it is on this brush, so I'm probably gonna pick it up from this brush. But look how awesome this color looks though. So pick it up with this thicker angled brush. So I'm gonna go little by little, obviously. I'm kind of like dab it on. What do you think? You like it so far? Okay. Before we finish up, let me finish up my other eye. Intense enough, right? That looks good. Okay, so that kind of finishes off the liner. I'm gonna add some nude liner onto my waterline. I have some redness, so I want to get rid of that. It's just a nude liner from Sephora. Voila, redness is gone. Okay, so I'm gonna add some mascara and put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. So I got some mascara and lashes on. The ones that I use are from Lily Lashes. These are in the style Havana. I shouldn't open it on my lashes anyways. So these are the way they look. Obviously, I wanted to put them a little lower so I could make sure the liner shows. So last but not least, moving on to the lips. I am using the MAC. It's in the color Up the Amp. So it's like a purple color to make sure I have like the full on Vikings colors going on. And I'm probably gonna be adding some of that pigment that I blended on top of that. So let me see how this turns out first and we'll go from there. Okay, so I think it's a little bit too light, so I am gonna add some of this. So I think I'm just gonna put on my finger and then just add on top of that. Ooh. So I guess that completes it, guys. What do you guys think? You guys like this crazy stuff I got going on today? I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I had fun doing it. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Hopefully to see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna leave you guys on a note. Recently, I actually decided to change my attitude towards life because I've been in a very bad situation where I've been thinking negatively a lot, and I've been trying to change that about my life. And I came across this video on YouTube. I'll put it in the description box if you guys want to check it out. It's just basically thinking positive. So it's a 30-day challenge to think of something positive every single day, or to change something about your life every single day. For example, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I post like I'm posting a day 1, day 2, day 3 until 30 days challenge just to create a habit, because as we all know, it takes 21 days to create a habit, I guess. So I'm trying to get into that habit of staying positive and looking at the light in the tunnel, I guess, because we all get into these bad habits of thinking negative. Work is going bad, life is going bad, relationships are going bad, or whatever it is. So on every day for the challenge, take something negative that has happened in your life and then switch it to a positive. Example, I was having trouble at work, and every single person that I would meet, if I didn't get a chance to be able to perform my job, I would usually think of like, oh, this sucks, what am I supposed to do? You know, it stresses me out. Now I just switched. I'm like, you know what? I closed one, now on to the next opportunity. So every opportunity you get is try to change that around and take a look at your life and see what's going on and see if there's something you want to change, and then flip that situation over into a positive. On that note, I just want to leave you guys on a positive note. So hopefully you guys like my videos. So hopefully see you next time. With that being said, bye guys.